Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your life. Myself Vikrant and welcome back to DevTown. So in this particular video, we are gonna see what is the basic difference between dot operator and square operator. Okay, so in the previous video only we had seen that how this objects works in JavaScript, and we also learned about how to create objects, right, with the help of that object little symbol. Okay, so in this video we are going to see the basic difference between dot operator and square operator. Okay, so these are the three scenarios in which we are going to use this square operator. So we can use this notation first of all when our property name is reserve word. So what does this mean? Let us see with the help of code. So here I am back in my VS Code with the index.js file open, right? So first of all, the first statement was like this: property name is a reserve word, okay, or invalid identifier. If it is an invalid identifier, then we can use our square notation in that place. So first of all, let me just declare one object with the name variable name obj, and I will try to assign some values. Let's say name, and I am assigning the name as DevTown, right? And the second thing may be city, and the city name will be in string as Bangalore, let's say. And third thing, let's say, okay, third thing I will not add that time. So first of all, to access any value of any property inside objects, we simply use this dot operator, object dot name, right? If I am saving this and if I try to run this thing from over here, you can see I am getting DevTown, which is of course the value of this property called name, right? But what happens if I pass on values such as number, right? And if I'm passing one as a string to the one thing, okay. So right now, if I try to access this one with the help of the dot operator, see, it is basically giving me error. If I try to run this thing, still it will give me error that something is missing after argument list, right? So we cannot assign numbers to our any property. So our property name should not start with this number, but it is actually valid. But if I want to access the particular value of this property one, so how to do that thing? So in this case, we are gonna use this square operators. See, if I am using square operator over here, I am saving this thing, simply running this thing, and I am getting one in my output, right? So if my property name is starting with any number or string, we can say, then in that place we can use our square operator. So that is the very first scenario for using the square operator. The second one is the second one that we see right now is if my property name starts with a number, right? The third one is property name is dynamic. So we are going to see that as well. What is this thing? Property name is dynamic. So let's say there is one property. Let's add one property by comma, and let's say I'm adding some property, maybe prop one, and I am assigning it a value of, let's say, Pune, or any city we can say. Let's say I'm assigning it a value of Pune. Okay, it's a random. Okay, so how can I like access this property with the help of variables? So let's say I'm declaring one variable, maybe called city name. Okay, and I am passing over here this prop one. Okay, so can I write that if I am writing object.city name. Now, will I be able to get the city name? That is, see, you guys will think that if what I'm gonna get here, object.cityname will refers to this prop1, so I will get the value of object.prop1, it is Pune. So that should be the output in this case. Okay, but it is not gonna happen. Let me show you by running this thing. Okay, it is showing me undefined. Why? Because dot operator, after dot we simply need to pass the name of properties that are present in this particular object. Okay, so we cannot access any variable name over here. So this name will refers to the property name. If it is not present, then it will definitely give us undefined, and the same thing we are getting over here, right? So what to do to access the prop1's value, that is Pune, over here by using object? So for that, if I'm doing like this, square bracket, simple square bracket, I'm saving this thing, running one more time, see, I'm getting Pune in the output. So this is the very simple use case of using this square operator over dot operator. That's the very basic difference. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood what is the basic difference between dot operator and square operator, and that is the thing which I wanted to show you guys. So I hope you got the idea how this works, and with this I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't checked out our web development playlist, then please go to DevTown, subscribe it if you are new to the channel, and then watch our web development playlist. It will definitely help you in mastering JS, HTML and CSS. I will see you guys in next video. Until then, goodbye.